Hello! Today, I've put together an easy-to-follow guide to the WhiteBIT cryptocurrency exchange. This guide is tailored for those who are just beginning their journey into the world of crypto and want to know where to start. We'll explore all the essential aspects, from creating your account and depositing funds to ensuring the security of your assets and discovering the exciting features offered by the platform. Plus, I have a great bonus for you. If you click on my referral link in the description, you can receive up to 6,200 USDT after you register. Referral code CP6969. So, let's get started and dive right in. What is WhiteBIT? WhiteBIT is a cryptocurrency exchange recognized as one of the most reliable and user-friendly platforms globally. It caters to both newcomers and seasoned traders, allowing users to easily exchange tokens, engage in futures trading, and even generate passive income. The exchange is continuously evolving, boasting over 2 million users from 190 countries, more than 400 trading pairs available. Offices located worldwide, from Portugal to Australia. What sets WhiteBIT apart? WhiteBIT provides features that are often difficult to find on other exchanges. Staking options with annual yields reaching up to 30%. Demo tokens, perfect for risk-free practice. A distinctive mission to make cryptocurrency accessible to all, and they are genuinely committed to achieving this. Registration on WhiteBIT, your start in the crypto world. If you're just starting to learn about crypto, registering on WhiteBIT is the perfect first step. The process is incredibly simple and takes just a couple of minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to WhiteBIT using my referral link, find it in the description. In the upper right corner of the website, click Register. A form will open for you to fill out. Enter your email and create a strong password. Be sure to write it down so you don't forget it. In the special field, enter my code CP6969. This will activate the bonus of up to 6,200 USDT for new users. It's beneficial for both me and you. Check the box confirming that you agree to the rules. It's also important to note that you are not from Russia or Belarus. This is a requirement of the platform. Click Continue. An email will arrive with a code. Copy the 6 digits and enter them on the website. After confirmation, you will be redirected to your personal account. Enter your email and password. And that's it, you're in. Verification, a step towards full functionality. On WhiteBIT, verification KYC is not mandatory, but I highly recommend completing it. Why? Because it unlocks access to all the exchange's features. Withdrawal limits of up to 100 BTC per day. Working with fiat currencies, dollars, and others. How to complete KYC? Fill out the questionnaire. Upload a photo of your passport or ID. Take a selfie with the document and a piece of paper that says WhiteBIT.com plus date. Wait for confirmation, it usually takes up to 24 hours. Now picture this, everything could be even simpler. When there's a community where the complexities of cryptocurrency are discussed daily, trading signals are exchanged, and live sessions analyzing coins are conducted, learning turns into an enjoyable experience. That's precisely what our Telegram channel has evolved into. It's your go-to support network in the cryptocurrency realm. There, you'll discover guidance, valuable resources, and real-life examples to help you navigate through the sea of information. The link is ready for you in the description. Take a look. You'll find that your crypto journey becomes significantly easier when you have support by your side. The next important step, security. After completing verification, it's crucial to secure your account. Many newcomers skip this step and then face unpleasant issues. Don't repeat their mistakes. Here's how to do it right. Install Google Authenticator. Download the app on your smartphone. It's available in the App Store and Google Play. Activate two-factor authentication, 2FA. Go to the security settings on WhiteBIT and enable 2FA. Scan the QR code. A code will open. Scan it using Google Authenticator. The app will start generating a 6-digit code that updates every 15 seconds. Use the code when logging in and withdrawing funds. Every time you log into the exchange or withdraw money, enter the current code from the app. This truly protects against hacking. Even if someone learns your password, they won't be able to log in without access to your phone. Just don't forget to save your backup access to Google Authenticator, otherwise recovery might be complicated. Deposits and withdrawals. WhiteBIT supports deposits and withdrawals in both cryptocurrency and fiat, dollars, euros, and others. Here's how it works. Depositing cryptocurrency. Go to the wallet section and click Deposit. Select the desired coin, for example, USDT, and the network. I recommend TRC20, which has a fee of only 30 cents. Copy the address or scan the QR code, then transfer the funds from another wallet or exchange. Withdrawing funds. Click Withdraw and choose the coin or currency. Specify the wallet address or card number, the amount, and confirm the operation via 2FA. Always check the selected network, for example, TRC20. An error in the network may lead to loss of funds without the possibility of recovery. Trading on WhiteBIT, the key to active earnings. If you want to not just hold cryptocurrency but earn from it, trading on WhiteBIT will be your main tool. The platform offers two primary formats, spot trading and futures. Let's break each down step by step. Spot trading involves buying or selling cryptocurrency at the current market price. WhiteBIT makes everything extremely simple. Transfer funds to trading wallet. After funding your main wallet, transfer the desired amount to your trading wallet. In the wallet section, select the main tab, choose the coin like USDT, click transfer and specify the amount. Proceed to trading. Open the trading section. A chart and a list of trading pairs will appear. WhiteBIT supports over 250 cryptocurrencies and 400 pairs. For example, BTC USDT. Choose the order type. Market order. Instant buy, sell at the current price. Just specify the amount and click buy or sell. Limit order. You set the price yourself. For example, if you want to buy BTC at 80,000 USDT, enter the price, amount, and wait for the order to execute. Confirm the transaction. Once the order is executed, the crypto will appear in your trading balance. You can view all details in the Transaction History tab. Commission. The standard commission is 0.1% of the transaction amount. WBT token holders can receive discounts of up to 100%, depending on the number of tokens. Demo mode for spot trading. WhiteBIT offers demo tokens, virtual assets for practice. In the trading section, enable demo mode and try trading without risk. It's a great way to get comfortable. Futures trading allows you to earn from price fluctuations using leverage. Here's how it works. Preparing your balance. Transfer funds to the collateral wallet from your main or trading wallet. Choose a coin like USDT. Click Transfer. Specify the amount. This is your deposit. Futures interface. In the menu, select Trading, Futures. A chart will open, for example, BTC USDT perpetual contract. Leverage. WhiteBIT offers leverage up to 20x. This means 100 USDT becomes 2000 USDT in trading power. Choose wisely. 3x, 5x is suitable for starting out. Order types. Stop market. Order activates when the stop price is reached and executes at market price. Stop limit. Combine stop and limit. You set two prices and the order executes at your price. Opening a position. Click Buy, long if you expect a rise, or Sell, short, if you expect a drop. Watch the chart and close manually or set a stop limit. Commission. Futures commissions are lower than spot commissions, a nice bonus for active traders. Demo mode for futures. Similar to spot trading, you can explore futures trading risk-free. In the futures section, simply activate the demo mode and practice in a stress-free environment. Beginner tips. Start with an investment of 50 to 100 USDT and experiment with market orders. Avoid using high leverage. A range of 3x to 5x is sufficient. Review your trades in the balance history for insights. Unsure about something? Use the demo mode to practice. It's free and secure. This is how you can gradually become proficient in trading on WhiteBIT. Begin with spot trading to build your confidence and then transition to futures. The control is entirely in your hands. Smart staking, passive income on WhiteBIT. Smart staking is a simple way to make your cryptocurrency work for you. You deposit coins and in return, you earn interest, up to 30% per year. How to start? Go to the WhiteBIT website or mobile app. In the menu, find the Smart Staking section. A page with available rates will open. Choosing a staking plan. You'll see a list of over 40 cryptocurrencies, from USDT, BTC, ETH to Doge and others. Each asset has its own conditions. Terms, ranging from 10 to 360 days. Rates, for example, 18.64% per year or 1% per month on USDT. For example, if you choose a 30-day plan with a deposit of 2,000 USDT, that will yield you about $21 in profit. How to make a deposit? To participate in staking, the crypto must be in your main wallet. If you don't have funds, top up your balance. Detailed instructions were above. Choose the desired plan, enter the amount. For example, 2,000 USDT for 10 days will yield about $5. The minimum deposit is 50 USDT and the maximum is 600,000 USDT. Check the limits and click Deposit. Waiting and withdrawal. After activation, the funds are locked for the duration of the plan. A timer is started, for example, 30 days. Once the term is completed, the crypto and the accrued interest are automatically returned to your main wallet. If you change your mind, you can close the plan early. In the Active Plans section, find the one you need. Click Close. The funds will return, but no interest will be accrued, only the principal amount. WhiteBIT Token, WBT, your key to privileges. WBT is the exchange's native token, launched in August 2022. It sold out in 15 minutes, and its market capitalization reached $500 million. How to buy? Go to the trading section and select the WBT USDT pair. Fund your trading wallet, set a market order, and purchase the desired amount. You can also participate in launch pads and launch pools if they are available. Benefits. Simply hold WBT in your main wallet and you will receive discounts on fees from 5% to 100%. Increased rates in smart staking. Automatic application of bonuses. No additional setup required. Storing the token. WBT is an ERC20 standard token and it can be withdrawn to an external wallet such as MetaMask. However, if you want to earn bonuses, it's better to leave it on WhiteBIT. WhitePay, bringing crypto to everyday life. WhitePay serves as a connection between digital assets and in-person purchases. You can use cryptocurrency to pay in stores or convert it into fiat, making everything straightforward and hassle-free. Getting started? Check out the WhitePay website, link in the description, or open the WhiteBIT app for more information. Funding your wallet. To make a payment, ensure you have cryptocurrency in your main wallet. If your balance is low, top it up as we discussed earlier. Making a purchase in a store. Select an item in a partner store. Let the cashier know that you wish to pay with cryptocurrency. Receive a QR code through the WhitePay POS terminal. Scan it using the WhiteBIT app. Choose your coin, such as BTC, and confirm the transaction. The whole process takes mere seconds. You can pay for your purchases using the crypto you've earned from trading or staking. Additional features. WhitePay also provides crypto donations. Payment processing services for businesses. If you're a business owner, reach out to WhiteBIT support via the website to set up crypto payment options. Imagine purchasing equipment with the cryptocurrency you earned on the exchange. Convenient? Absolutely. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. WhiteBIT has so much more to offer. Opportunities for passive income, fast transfers, innovative tools for earning. I delve into all these features in detail on our Telegram channel. There you'll discover real-life examples, the latest tips, security recommendations, and guidance on avoiding common pitfalls. The link is in the description. Join us and unlock the full potential of cryptocurrency. WhiteBIT codes, instant transfers without fees. WhiteBIT codes is a quick way to transfer crypto between WhiteBIT accounts. Here's how it works. Creating a code. Go to the Wallet, WhiteBIT Codes section. Choose a coin, like USDT. Enter the amount and click Create Code. Optionally, add a security password. Transfer. Copy the unique code you received and send it to your friend via Messenger, email, or any convenient method. Activation. Your friend opens the same section, clicks Activate, pastes the code and enters the password, if set. The funds are instantly credited to their main wallet without fees or delays. Verification. You see the deduction and the recipient sees the credit. Everything operates through the exchange's hot wallet, so the transfer is instant. WhiteBIT mobile app. If you're looking to manage your cryptocurrency swiftly and easily, the WhiteBIT app is the ideal solution. You can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. It's accessible on both platforms. Logging into your account. To log in, simply enter your email and password for WhiteBIT. If you have two-factor authentication set up, which I highly recommend, just scan the code using Google Authenticator. What features does the app offer? All the essential functions of the exchange are right at your fingertips. Fund your wallet with USDT, euros, and other currencies. An intuitive interface. Everything is just a few clicks away. And if you own an Apple Watch, the app will display the Bitcoin price right on your wrist. Convenient, isn't it? That's a wrap, everyone. We've explored the full range of features offered by WhiteBIT, from staking and trading to the mobile app and the WBT token. This exchange genuinely equips newcomers with all the essentials they need: user-friendly tools, attractive interest rates, the capability to make purchases using cryptocurrency. Click the link in the description to register, test out the platform, and start earning today.